Open house Saturday, March 11, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Waterfront on Ross Lake with an elevated view. Whether you are looking for a year-round home or a seasonal waterfront retreat, this well-maintained cottage is exactly what you are seeking. Set on a bank of the Cedar River / Ross Lake, this home overlooks the picturesque town of Beaverton and has easy access to all of Gladwin County. There are 2 bedrooms and a full bath here with 112 of waterfront. The yard is fenced and the lake frontage has a dock and seawall. This quiet neighborhood is a great place to relax and call home. Call today for your personal showing.